We'll guide you through how to create a Printify pop-up store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log in or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see an option to start a new store. Click on Create New Store. You'll be prompted to select your platform. Choose Pop-up Store from the list of available options. This is where the fun begins. You'll need to select a theme for your store. Printify offers a range of customizable themes, so pick one that matches your brand's vibe. After selecting a theme, click on Customize here. You can upload your logo and select your color scheme. Make sure to personalize your store's homepage by adding a catchy headline and an engaging description that tells your story. Now it's time to add products. Click on Add Product and browse through Printify's extensive catalog. You can choose from t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. Once you find a product you'd like to sell, click on it to start designing. Use the design tools to upload your artwork or create something new using the editor. When you're satisfied with the design, click Save Product. Your products will appear in your store's inventory. Next, set your pricing. You'll want to make sure you cover your costs and make a profit, so adjust accordingly. Once your products are priced, it's time to publish your store. Go back to the main dashboard and click Publish Store. Printify will generate a unique URL for your pop-up store, which you can share with your audience. Remember to promote your store through your social media channels and email lists to draw in customers. And that's it. Your Printify pop-up store is live and ready for business. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.